Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Web Tuts YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change TP-Link Wi-Fi password using your mobile phone and as well as your computer. Okay, so to change the TP-Link Wi-Fi password, at first you need to connect your computer or your mobile phone to the Wi-Fi router. Okay, so you can see here in my computer, I am now connected to my Wi-Fi, which is Dream Web Tuts. Now I will change the password of this TP-Link router. Okay. So to change the password, at first you need to open your browser. Okay, so you can see here I am using Google Chrome. You can use Google Chrome or your default browser in your mobile or your computer. So after opening this browser, you need to type here TP-Link WiFi.net. Okay, the default address of TP-Link routers is TP-Link WiFi.net. Okay, so type TP-Link WiFi.net. Here it will ask you for admin username and password, but you can see here it is not connecting to the internet for some reason. Okay, but you can see here is the alternative solution, which is 192.168.0.1 or the IP address, which is 192.168.1.1. You can try these IP addresses to access your TP-Link Wi-Fi router. You can find the default IP address at the backside of your router. Okay, so for my Wi-Fi router, my address is 192.168.1.1. okay, so if I type 192.168.1.1, here we can see username and password is asking. So my password is admin and my username is also admin. So this is the admin area. You can access this admin area using your mobile phone and using your computer. Both of the methods are same. So first of all, you can see here a wireless 2.4 gigahertz router, which is the SSD is Dream Web Tuts and password is not there. So to change the password, you need to go to wireless. Okay, so from the left menu, go to wireless and then go to wireless security. So if you go to wireless security, you will find the password. You can see here wireless password, which is 123456778. You can change the password. So I am typing 9 here. Okay, 123456789. So this is how you can change your password. You don't have to change anything else. Just keep the encryption AES and version WPA2PSK. Okay, and then click save. So if you click save, it is now saved. So if you click on the Wi-Fi, you can see it will now disconnect. Okay, you can see it is now disconnected automatically. It is trying to connect, but it will not connect because I have changed the Wi-Fi password. So how to connect with the updated password? Just select here and select the Wi-Fi and then right click, select forget. I will forget the Wi-Fi at first, and now I will try to enter the new security key, which is 123456789, because I have changed the password. You can see it's now verifying and connecting, and it is now connected. So this is how you can change your TP-Link Wi-Fi password in your computer, or you can apply the same method to change the password in your mobile phone. The system is almost similar. You can change your password from your mobile phone too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment below, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Dream Web Tuts to get more tutorial like this. I will see you in another video. Have a great day. Bye.